Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we discuss the selection and minor selection and selection within selection and more than one selection. By default, we select only one selection. We cannot do multiple selection, but we can do multiple selection by holding Shift key. Now at the time I am pressing the Shift key, by holding the Shift key I can select more than one selection. And sometime minor selection also is very important. For example, if we want to change the color of eyes of this baby, but we cannot change, or we could not change the color of this area, this dark area. So selection, and by holding Alt key, this area is minor selection. Again, first we discuss selection by pressing Shift key, more than one selection at the same time, and selection by holding Alt key we can minus selection. This is minus selection, like that. So as a practical example, if we want to change the color of eyes of this baby, so this thing help us. First of all, I select the eyeball and pressing Shift again, select, and by pressing Alt key, this one, by pressing Alt key, this one. So in this way only this area is selected. Image, adjustment, hue and saturation. By changing the value of this thing, we can change the color of eye. Press OK. Control D, selection. So in this way we change the color of eyes, and very natural, and seems to be an actual color of the eyes. So this is possible because we use selection by shifting more than one selection, and by pressing Alt key, minus selection. So there is another tool, Lasso tool. Lasso tool help us to select random selection any type, anything you want to select, and after selecting, file, new, and drag and drop here. So this is absolutely hand-free selection, lasso tool, like this, move tool, and selection is move. This is lasso tool. Another tool is here, polygonal lasso tool. It is I am clicking here, and when you final, then click again, click, again click, again double click. This is used in exact selection. Again you can see polygonal, click here, then click here. Where you want to finalize edges, then click there, and at the end double click on where you beginning, and then use move tool for drag and drop. There is another tool, magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool is automatically move on the same color tone. You see the same color tone even my cursor is far from click. But one condition, color should be clearly different from each other. So these three tools, lasso tool, polygonal tool and magnetic tool. There is a quick selection. Quick selection means click here, Control D for deselection. Click here, then click, and automatically it's choose same color, then click there, and in this way you will get the selection in minimum time of the same color, almost the same color here. There is another tool, is a magic wand tool. It is useful on the one color. For example, its background is white. Click here and you select the all white color. Or if we click on this color, magic wand tool, you see no selection is not proper because there is gradient of color and different colors. So it is used only on same color. For example, we need to change the background of this model. What should we do? We use magic wand tool for the same color, but if I move so this is only background, but we need the model. We delete the layer. Here is concept of inverse selection. Select inverse selection and then move the Control T for resizing, and by holding the Shift key we can same height and width change, and if I release the Shift key then the model become D shape. So here I press the Shift key and then enter. So in this way we change the background of model, and without using complex selection tool, very simply we use magic wand tool and then make it inverse selection. I do hope you like this selection second class, and if you feel that you improve your selection tool, please like and subscribe channel. Thank you very much.